Maligayang araw sa inyong lahat. My name is Jico Reben P. Quilio, BSBE MM First Year, Kolehiyo ng Pantukan. This is my video about tributo during Spanish period. Tributo during Spanish period. The tributo was general tax imposed on Filipinos by the Spanish as a sign of allegiance and collection along with other taxes and forced labor often lead to revolts against Spanish rule. The tributo was implemented in 1571 by Governor General Michael Lopez de Legazpi. All Filipinos aged 16 to 60 were required to pay taxes. The collected taxes were used to support the Spanish government and the church. This was the beginning of the taxation system in the Philippines introduced by the Spaniards into our society. Filipinos had to pay in the form of money, products or labor. The cabezas de barangay were responsible for collecting these taxes and handing them over to the Spanish officials. However, some officials abused the system and collected more than what was due, which caused suffering and harassment among the Filipinos. This tax system brought negative effects on Filipinos. Many Filipinos found it difficult to pay tribute because they were poor. The Spanish government benefited from the tax while the Filipinos continue to experience hardship. This system caused inequality and abuse, which is why many Filipinos eventually fought for freedom. We should value and remember the sacrifice or resisted colonial rule of the Spaniards. Founded colonial government, the taxes helped the Spanish government in the Philippines operate and manage its colonies, support Spanish official and project. The money collected from the people was used to pay Spanish official and finance government projects such as building church, roads, and school. Help maintain order and service under Spain. Through tributo, the Spanish government was able to provide some public services and maintain control over the colonials. Early introduction to taxation system. It too difficult the concept of paying taxes, which became the foundation of the modern taxation system. Strength Spanish authority. Collecting taxes allowed the Spanish government to have more control over the Filipino people and strengthen their rule in the Philippines. Source of state revenue. The tribute served as a main source of income for the colonial government to fund their activities and projects. Show power and balance. The system show inequality between the Spaniards and Filipinos, as the Filipinos were the ones paying taxes while the Spaniards benefit from it. Early link between taxes and governance and introduce idea that taxes are connected to how urban works and support interaction. From the colonial taxes to national development. Before, during the Spanish colonial period, taxes were collected to the tributo system where Filipinos were required to pay money, goods or labor to support the Spanish government. This system mainly benefited the Spaniards and caused hardship and unfair treatment for Filipinos. After, in the modern period, taxes are now collected by the Bureau of Internal Revenue (BIR) and are used for the development of nation. The money helps fund schools, hospital, roads, and other public services that benefit all citizens. Thank you for listening, guys, and God bless.